Welcome to Sophia Sews and Play. A rotary cutter and ruler combo is a blessing. Friends, today I am going to be showing you my rotary cutter and ruler combo that I had for about a year and a half, I believe, but it's a long time. I'm cleaning up my room and throwing away a lot of stuff so I can have more space to show you guys my room, and I came across this. How convenient, because I needed this for um my quilting class. And so I ran into this and I thought, I had this and I've been struggling to learn how to use my rotary cutter. I finally got the word. Rotary. So I'm going to be, I've unboxed it already and show you how easy it is. And I'm not scared of this rotary cutter because it feels more secure and more protective. So we will be using it for the first time. Yes. So I want to show you how I use it. I had this like for a long time, and because I just was not tech quilting, it wasn't important to me because the rotary combo has its own ruler and it'll cut according to how I put it. That's how it goes. Okay, so we're going to do, I actually only want yeah, I'm gonna do two. So we're gonna start. Oh yeah, yeah. Don't do that. Don't do that. You gotta stay on point here. Right here. So I'll start from the here. And the way this works is the only way it's going to cut if you press it down. So you will see my hands going that way. And all I got to do, I suppose, is hold it like this. Huh? All right, so there we go. I'm going to push down and I'm cutting right now. And it'll cut all the way to the end. And it cuts. So like right here, this is always my problem like this. So I'll come up again. And so I did cut it. So we'll see if we cut, if we did cut the 2 inches. And I'm going to show you, this is an old thing, okay? But because I had it there, I never used it. So I thought, let me show my precious viewers my excitement of using this rotary cutter, and it's so helpful. I mean, guys, I can never get my fabrics cut straight when I use the regular one, the one that you do like that. And what I do is just use this one. I only use this rotary cutter when I am going to clean up my, I'm sorry, when I'm going to clean up my blocks, because it's so difficult for me. I can't do it. So I can only do it straight when I so far. See, I'm always doing this little pinchy. Okay, so far. This, the only way I use this is when I'm going to clean, like let's say I'm going to clean this because right here it's not matching, okay? So we're gonna, I do this. Well, right now I'm not holding nothing, but oh, I did good. But I don't like this. I only like it for cleaning. So this does wonders, because if I want to cut up to 6.5 inches with this, I can cut. So we're going to check to see. I got sidetracked. We're going to see if this is 2 inches straight. Look at that. Straight inches straight. Amazing. Amazing. I've had this for so long I didn't even know. Cleaning out my room, I've thrown away a lot of things. I've gotten my sewing room in order, so I'm getting it ready to show you how it was before and how it is. And it is so, so simple for me now and easier. I have more room. I have my fabric stashed away in such a decent way that I could find anything I want, how I want. And so that's why I made this video, was to show you my Fiskar combo rotary and ruler cutter. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video, and thank you so much. Oh, don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment. Comment. Tell me what you think about this. And subscribe.